Hey guys, so welcome back. I'm here solving question 2 from Exam2, where we needed to solve that system Ax equals b, where a is 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, and b is equal to 1. And we've asked for the least square solution. Of course, the least square solution is the one given by the pseudo inverse of a. So in fact, we need to find x, which is equal to a plus times b. Okay. So the main target is to find a plus. Okay. Now, how to get a plus? Here there are mainly two rules to check. First of all, the rule 1 asks. The rule 1 applies, in fact, when the columns of A are independent. So what about the columns of A? Are they independent? Well, if you check here, you can see that one can write minus 4c1 plus 2c2 should give you c3, the columns 3. Okay. To get this, basically, you can just try to solve this system where c3 is equal to alpha c1 plus beta c2, and you get the minus 4 and the 2. Okay. So the answer is that the columns are not independent. No. So we cannot apply rule 1. So we move on to rule 2, which checks if the rows of A are independent. In fact, it's easy to see that there is no such alpha such that alpha R1 is equal to R2. Okay. So this is impossible. So basically, we can move on and apply rule 2. Okay. So rule 2 considers that A plus, or the pseudo inverse, is going to be equal to AT transpose of A times the inverse of AAT. Okay. So when one can write it this way, it's going to be equal to 1 to 1 0 2 1 and 0 2 multiplied by the inverse of the following matrix, which is AAT 1 2 0 0 1 2 times 1 0 2 1 and 0 2. Okay, of course you need to inverse this matrix. Okay, so basically you get 1 0 2 1 0 2 multiplying the inverse of 5 2 2 5. Okay. Well, the inverse is, in fact, I continue here. This is going to be equal to that inverse part is going to be equal to 1 over 21 times 5 negative 2 negative 2 5. And here I place back AT again, so it's 1 0 2 1 and 0 2. Okay, so basically you get A plus, which is 1 over 21. And here I can say that I have 5 8 negative 4, and in the second column I have negative 2 1 and 10. Okay, you can check that in this case that A plus will give you the identity of size 2. Okay, the identity matrix of size 2. So basically, X here is equal to A plus B, which means it's equal to that A plus times B, and it shall give you should give you 8 over 21, 17 over 21, and 2 over 21, which is, of course, the least square solution in this case. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.